My name is Alexander Dabell. I'm the Managing Director of Vectis Ventures, which owns Robin Hill, which is 90 acres here on the Isle of Wight. I have a rule of thumb, and the rule of thumb very simply is that what we do must be fun. Because if it's not fun for us, it will never be fun for anybody who comes to either of the parks. However, to do fun is not a question of being frivolous. One of the things that Lucy Rogers has been able to help us with, particularly with her engineering background, is bringing a discipline to our fun so that we become more focused on what it is we have to deliver. We only have a small budget to play with, and therefore we can't afford too much frivolity. To that end, though, we also have to look at how we get the maximum bang or whistle for our buck. And we have to use different devices that are available off the shelf, but we have to use them in different and imaginative ways. And Lucy again has come with a whole box of tricks and a whole bunch of ideas which we've looked and worked with her to try to adapt to our needs. And not just to much our needs, in fact definitely not quite so much to our needs, but to our customers' needs, so that little people, and it's little people of all ages, because there's a little person in all of us, little people can come up and go, wow, look at that, oh, look it's doing, hey Dad, look at that, oh Dad, and Dad's going, yeah I know, I can see it, wow. Once we have the idea that we need to create our imagination, we have to look at the various tools that are available to help us do that, and then take it further. And we are just scratching the surface, but boy is it getting under my fingernails, because I'm enjoying the scratching. And it is how we can apply it. We're applying it to some of our animatronic figures over at Blackgang. We're applying it to lighting over here. And it's how we can get things to do stuff with different outcomes. And last October we had, again Lucy was helping us with this, we had our first collection of Raspberry Pi Wranglers all together, which we understand is called a Raspberry Jam, which was a tremendous amount of fun. We invited a whole lot of people to come down and hack our dinosaurs, and apparently this is quite a fun thing to do, so they all came down. We had the second one here earlier on this year, and we've got a third one happening later on in October, which we're also looking to get some IBMers down and to look how we can take these devices and other devices further and use them in different ways. Later on, the opportunities for us are also to work with the people that have the music festival here, the Bestival. My great-great-grandfather started Blackgang Chine 172 years ago. He was a creative person. With a bucket load of ideas and a spade full of innovation, you too can inspire innovation going forward.